Hello guys! Blessed Saturday everyone! So today, may pupuntahan tayo and samahan niyo na ako. So we're going to Waterside Marketplace. Wala lang, gagala lang tayo doon or mag-window shopping. Let's go na guys! Ang ganda ng weather today. Hindi ganon kalamig and the sun is out. Kaya medyo mainit. Natutuwa talaga ako nung lumipat kami dito kasi ang lapit-lapit lang namin sa Waterside Marketplace. Maya-maya nandun na tayo. Kasi mga parang ano lang, 5-minute drive. Ang lapit lang kasi. Oh, diba? We're here. Nandito na tayo. And ang daming tao. There, the Burlington, TJ Maxx, Old Navy. Pero yung una na pupuntahan natin is I think Burlington. Burlington is there. Kita niyo ba yung sky? It's so blue. Pasensya na guys if hindi ako nakapag-vlog na sa Burlington. Medyo nahihiya ako baka makita nila ako nagva-vlog. And yeah, so dalawa lang naman yung binili ko. And then after that, I went to TJ Maxx and then sa Old Navy. Pero saglit lang ako kasi wala silang sale. So usually nagsha-shop lang talaga ako sa Old Navy if may super sale sila. So right now, I decided na pumunta sa Bath and Body Works. So nag-drive talaga ako dito kasi medyo malayo siya sa Burlington. Kasi meron akong natanggap na coupon from them. So I have free full-size body care item up to $16.95 na value. So kita niyo ba? So ayan siya. And then meron din akong 25% off for my entire purchase. So until May 12. So gusto ko na siyang gamitin kasi before meron din ako mga coupon pero hindi ko nagamit agad, so I tried to ask them if I can still use yung expired na coupon pero hindi na pwede. Sa bahay na ako guys and I just want to show you kung ano yung mga binili ko. Well, as I said, dalawa lang naman yung binili ko sa Burlington. So this one. So, I like it kasi may New York na pag ganyan. And I got this one also, yung blue dress. So, ang ang sexy nga eh. So, long dress siya guys. Ayan. Tapos, sa Bath and Body Works, so ito yung napili ko. This one. Kita nyo ba? Sweet pea. And ang ganda ng kanyang bottle. Tingnan nyo, pink na pink. O, diba, nagamit ko yung $16.95 natin na coupon. So, mapahinga lang ako ng saglit, guys. About maybe 15 minutes. And then, I'm going to do the dishes and maybe mag-vacuum din ako ng whole house. Especially dito sa living area namin kasi ang alikabok and then yeah, mag-arrange and then ano pa ba? Ang daming kong gagawin guys dito sa bahay since day off ko today. So gusto ko talaga na marami ako magagawa sa araw na ito kasi tomorrow may work din ako. So like 12 PM to 6 PM kasi closing ako. So yun yung schedule na binigay sa akin and then sa Monday, wala akong work and wala ding work si Sam. So maybe we're gonna go somewhere. Hopefully sa Windsor, Canada. Namiss ko na kasing gumala din sa Windsor, Canada. Especially na hindi na malamig. So right now guys, nandito ako sa kitchen and nagpapakulo ako ng tubig kasi I decided na magluto ng Filipino style spaghetti. Ito yung spaghetti na gagamitin ko. And kumukulo na yung water. Hindi naman ito dami. Ay! And also, nag-chop din ako ng garlic and sweet onions. And maglalagay din ako ng condensed milk later instead of sugar. So, mainit na yung pot natin. Maglalagay lang ako ng olive oil. Kaunti lang. So, once mainit na yung oil, so let's saute the onions. Next, garlic. And next, ilalagay ko na yung ground beef. And let's add some seasoning. First, salt. And also, maglalagay din ako ng tomato paste. Like 1 tablespoon. And also, luto na din yung spaghetti natin. And next, ilalagay na natin yung Filipino spaghetti sauce. Ay, paring. And maglalagay ako ng half and half para mas creamy yung sauce, guys. Kayo ba, naglalagay din ba kayo ng like evaporated milk or Nestle cream? Okay. Kasi wala akong evaporated milk, so ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. I think about 1/4 cup. Kasi gusto ko yung sa spaghetti ko is creamy talaga siya. And matamis, of course. And let's add the condensed milk. Kung wala kayong condensed milk, pwede naman yung sugar. Ooh, looks good! And mamaya, magluluto din ako ng hotdog kasi hindi kompleto yung spaghetti pag walang hotdog. And sad to say, wala pala akong hotdog. Akala ko may stock ako sa freezer pero wala pala. And also, instead of Edam cheese, pepper jack yung gagamitin ko na cheese. I love this cheese. Masarap to. Kasi medyo spicy siya. So, there you go, guys. Ito na yung ating Filipino style spaghetti. Kain na tayo. Thank you, Lord, for this food. I sure don't want a spaghetti, Mala. Yummy. And I'm super hungry na din. O, diba? Napakadaming sauce. Ito yung gusto ko talaga. First bite. Sarap.
You also get a mattress with memory foam, a duvet, and incredibly comfy pillows. What's cool is you can also order gourmet food whenever you want and as much as you want. I had the tandoori lobster, eggs benedict, salmon sashimi, and lots of caviar, which right away comes with a whole caviar tasting set. I also got some edamame and popcorn to watch movies and went to sleep. This was the best flight experience I've ever had. This was my $25,000 first class seat Emirates, 16 hours from Dubai to San Francisco. I actually got upgraded for free, and it was my first time ever flying first class. You get an entire
Parang nasa Jollibee lang ako, guys.
unlimited caviar, which by the way, each can cost $250. A shower with 5 minutes of hot water, you can actually pause and start to make the most out of it. A huge bathroom to get ready in for when you land. You get a snack basket and a Bulgari bag. The perfume smells great by it.
Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, meron pala kaming Jollibee dito sa Michigan, the one and only. And then nasa Sterling Heights yung Jollibee namin dito. And it's like 15 minutes lang na drive, guys. Pero yun nga lang, minsan lang kami pumupunta doon kasi medyo mahal yung mga pagkain doon. So, instead na doon ako pumunta or bumili ng spaghetti, ako na lang gagawa, diba? Tapos marami pa akong magagawa na spaghetti.